you guys to do is connect to this website called BT Clicks, and you can find a link to the website in the description, or you can just search it up on Google and you will find it. Now right from the start you can see that this website has two separate sections. The advertiser section represents the people that own a business and also want to promote a product or a service, and what they are doing is connecting to this website, and they will pay a certain amount of money to this website in order to get the traffic and the reach that they need, and in return, this website will share a part of their ad revenue with them. So this is practically a win-win situation because they're splitting the profits, which is a very good and profitable thing. Also remember guys that you are trading your time for money, so you do not actually need to invest anything into this website in order for it to work, so you just need to put in a little bit of work and time, and the more of these two you are willing to spend, the more you will be able to earn in the long run. Now a really cool feature that I really love about this website is that their minimum payout is only 0.1 milli Bitcoin, and if you convert that into dollars you will see that it is only $4, and that actually means that you only need to make $4 in order to withdraw them, and I am sure that all of us love a low payout. So unlike other websites that require you to get hundreds or even thousands of dollars in order to withdraw them, this website only need $4. Another very cool feature that is worth to mention is of course, their affiliate program, but we are going to discuss about it a little bit later in the video, so make sure you do not skip any second. Now the second step that I want you guys to actually do is click on the button that says Start Earning Today. After you clicked you will be taken to a page that looks like this, and what you actually need to do is create your account by giving away your email and your password, and after that you will be good to go. Okay, so after you successfully created your account you will see this page, and on this page you will see some useful information, so let's look at it. Now I will actually leave you guys a minute to read all of this, and after that we will move to the next step. So now after you finished, you might have noticed this earnings calculator, so let me explain. This earnings calculator will let you do the math, and you will be able to calculate for yourself how much money you are going to be earning using this website. Let me do an example for you. So let's say that we choose the standard membership, which is the free one. Now you can of course choose the other membership, but that would mean that you would actually invest money, and I do not want you guys to invest any money, so let's actually calculate using the standard membership. Now let's say that you manage to invite 10 friends who are completing every task and are clicking on this website, and let's say that each and every single one of our friends makes about 10 clicks every day using this website. Now that will give us about 0.02 milli Bitcoin per month, and before you say anything, I know that this doesn't sound like much, and it really isn't, but what is important is that you can keep working and you can invite more and more people, and those people keep clicking every day, which will result in a lot more money. Think about how much you will earn if you invite hundreds or even thousands of people to this website. And also a thing that you need to keep in your mind is that all of this is 100% passive income, so you just have to work hard for a month and gather as many people as you can onto this website, and I am sure that after you do that, you will just relax and earn $400, $500 and even $1,000 a month just for doing absolutely nothing. And if you are also interested in how you can invite even more people here, you can use Facebook groups, which will get you close to 100 people a day. You can use Quora, which will get you around 50 people a day, and also you can use a lot of other traffic methods in order to get people to use this website. So if this website is not worth your like, I do not know what is. I just shared with you a secret that not a lot of people know about, so consider yourself lucky by subscribing to the channel and also liking this video. So this is the end of the video, everyone. Make sure you comment if you stayed until now, so I know that you are a loyal blazing hustler. If you liked this method about how cloud mining works and how you can get free Bitcoin, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel so you are notified every time I post another video.